Hello guys, so this is just a quick video here. I don't know if you guys have been following the case. Obviously, this is a UK based news about what is the legal definition of a woman. So it's been in the UK courts for a while now. There's a couple of female organizations who are clamoring for the fact that a woman should be identified as originally a woman based on the sex, the gender that person was when they gave birth to them. So, for example, me, I am legit a woman because that is my gender from birth, which means that those who are now transgenders, that they do not solely have to be classified as women because they carry a certain certificate. Now, this is not me going against people who are transgender, but I feel that this is a win. Why do I feel this is a win? I feel this is a win because I've read there's a current case in court right now of a few nurses who were in the same dressing room with a man who is obviously trying to go to become a woman. They still have their beats, they still have everything, and just because they carry a card that says that they are now a woman means that they can now share the same dressing room. And I'm of the opinion that no, if you still have your bola, if you still have your man beats, everything there, we can't share the same dressing room. And
There
that's how
are only two genders, male and female.
and that's how it should be. So if you've now, you've changed everything, you are now what we think you are as a woman, then maybe that's when I'll say okay, fine. But however, the case has been in court, like according to the Telegraph here, the case was heard in court yesterday, actually in Scotland, and there were meant to be like three possible outcomes. So possible one could either be the Supreme Court ruling in favor for the women Scotland, thereby declaring that transgender people with a gender recognition certificate remain legally defined as their birth sex. That is, that even though your certificate says you're a woman, but when you were given birth to, your gender at birth is what you're going to be known as. Or they could back the Scottish government. Yes, it's the Scottish government that is tampering with all of this, male female thinking. Or the ruling could have agreed with Scottish government and find that a GRC card does not change a person's legal sex. Or a third option is that the court may rule that the matter is not for them to decide. But then something different happened, okay? Ruling follows a controversial trans cases, no. So Supreme Court has actually gone on to say no. They've ruled in favor of the women's, let me see the organization there, Women's Scotland campaigners. They've ruled in favor of women that no, your card does not mean that you are now a female. You will still be recognized at your gender when your parents gave birth to you. So I'm just going to leave a video after this short intro here for you to kind of like understand what that really means, which means that okay, it might be a transgender, but your gender from birth is what you're known as. I hope I'm understanding that. I hope you guys are understanding. So feel free to watch that that intro. And once you do,
The unanimous decision of this court is that the terms woman and sex in the Equality Act 2010 refer to a biological woman and biological sex.
leave your thoughts and opinion in the comment section as always. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like, drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe if you've not yet done so, turn on your post notification, share this video. Do not hesitate to join my membership and I'll catch up with you in another video. Alright, bye for now. Bye.
veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearrange